we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
40 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep the refrigerator temperature at or below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 degrees Celsius. The freezer temperature should be 0 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 18 degrees Celsius. Check temperatures periodically. Appliance thermometers are the best way of knowing these temperatures and are generally inexpensive.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.